I'm going to show you how exactly to fix the Outer Worlds 2 issue, so make sure to follow my methods. First of all, you should go to the Windows taskbar and click this upside arrow. If you do find the launcher that you have the game on appearing like this, make sure to right click on it and select exit. Once done, go to any empty space in the taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. This window will pop up, so go to the search and type in Steam. If you still find the process running in the background, make sure to select it, right click and then click End Task. After that, you need to deselect the search. You need to focus on these two, the memory and the CPU usages. Make sure to keep them below 100% to prevent any issue happening. To do that, you need to browse through all these processes, and you just need to end any suspicious or useless process that is running in the background. So once you find one, just select End Task. For the next step, go to the search and type in Device Manager and open that. Once done, go to Display Adapters and open the side arrow. After that, go to your graphics card, right click on it and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. After that, click on Close. Next, go to the search again and type in NVIDIA this time. If you do have an NVIDIA graphics card, you should find this NVIDIA app appearing. If you don't, go to their official website, download it from there. Now, once done, this window will pop up, so go to Drivers at the left menu and select Install or Download in order to update your graphics card driver. After that, go to this gear icon on the left and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. Now close this, open your Steam launcher. Now all you have to do is to go to the library and select Collections. After that, look for the Outer Worlds 2. The game must be installed on your device. I don't have it installed right here, so once you select it, go to this gear icon and click on Properties. After that, go to Launch Options and select -DX11. Now go to Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for the process to finish. For the next method, open your browser and type in DirectX download. After that, go to the link that belongs to Microsoft, select it, scroll down, you can select your preferred language that you want. After that, click on this download button. This app will be installed, so make sure to follow up with the installation process. And that's it. If you do find it helpful and your problem is gone, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.